This lesson is customary conversions using board number 8, and also the dry erase markers and cloth, and the customary unit conversion pieces. You can see on board number 8 that along the top there are 4 boxes that are color-coded. In the top left there is green, which is length or distance, red, mass or weight, is next, capacity or volume is purple and is next, and time or duration is blue, and that is next. So basically, if you're going to make any calculations, you first have to determine what type of measurement you're going to use, and once you've decided that, then you can begin the process. So we're going to start off with an example where we're going to convert 2 hours to seconds. So you can see in the boxes here that it says the word from, and those are the units that we're going to convert from. So we place the hours piece, which is blue because it correlates with the time or duration, in the first box, and we add the number 2 because we're going to convert 2 hours to seconds. So we can't go straight from hours to seconds because there's a unit in between, which is minutes. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to convert hours to minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to place a conversion piece, which are the pieces that have a line directly through the middle, and it looks like this. And on one side it says minutes over hours, and on the other side it says hours over minutes. So basically this is a way that you can help students remember. You can use the word to, which also looks like the word top. So right here, the first 2 letters, you can help them remember that whatever units you're going to goes on the top. So in this case we're going from hours to minutes, so we'll place the minutes on the top. So we can see that there are 60 minutes in each hour. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a calculation. We're going to multiply 2 times 60 divided by 1, which will be 120. And we went to the units minutes. So we're going to carry this down to the next line, and we're going to place 120 minutes in this box, and the next conversion is going to be seconds. So we're going to take the seconds over minutes, and again the units that we're going to are seconds, and so that is going to go on the top, and we'll put the 2 units over here, and we're going to multiply 120 by 60, which is 7,200 seconds. So what we've done is we've just converted hours to seconds using the conversion pieces. Let's do another example where we go in the opposite direction. This time we're going to go from the small units to the large units, and we're going to work with capacity or volume. So let's take the example 96 ounces, and we're going to convert this to quarts. And this time this is a 3-step process. So we have to go through the units cups, pints, and then to quarts. So the first conversion that we're going to do is between ounces and cups, and you can look up here at the top of the board and you can see all the different steps that you have to take to get to the unit that you're trying to find. So here we put the cups on the top because that's the unit that we're trying to go to, and we're going to take 96 times 1 divided by 8. And we know that 96 divided by 8 is 12, so 96 ounces is equal to 12 cups. The next step is to go from 12 cups to pints. So we find the conversion piece that says 1 pint over 2 cups. Again, we multiply. 12 times 1 is 12, divided by 2 is 6, and 6 pints is the next step. And finally, the last piece that we need is going to go from pints to quarts, and we'll take our answer from the previous line, 6. 6 times 1 is 6, divided by 2 is 3. So we've just walked through the process to convert 96 ounces to 3 quarts. This is how you use board number 8 to calculate conversions between units.